What nutritional deficiencies cause hangnails? If you know somebody who needs this information, like and share below. Now, when it comes to dealing with hangnails, often the issue arises from either a deficiency in hydrochloric acid, which helps you absorb and utilize protein, or a less than optimal protein intake. If you're eating plenty of protein, then you might just need the hydrochloric acid to help you absorb that protein that you are eating. Addressing these deficiencies by ensuring an adequate protein intake is crucial for the resolution of hangnails. If you're picking at your hangnails or they are starting to bleed, a manicure can help decrease this problem while you're increasing your protein intake, because the primary focus should be on increasing dietary protein and boosting that hydrochloric acid level. To achieve this, you might try something like Digestion along with paradisbiozyme from Doctor's Research, or Zypan Digest Forte or Protofood from Standard Process. Protofood in particular has all the essential amino acids necessary for complete protein synthesis. This can be especially beneficial if you're dealing with meats that lack certain amino acids, as it helps create a well-rounded protein profile. Additionally, it's important to eliminate refined foods and processed foods from your diet, as they tend to deplete these crucial nutrients. If this was helpful to you, please like and subscribe below, and I'll see you next time.